disgusting. So since it's basically summer now, I don't need this whole rack to be full of heavy-ass winter coats, so I'm swapping it out for my summer wardrobe. These IKEA underbed storage boxes, which are deceptively heavy, are going to be to store all of the winter stuff under the bed. I usually store all my out-of-season clothing in these like vacuum seal bags so they take up less space in the dresser. That feels so much nicer. Now I feel ready for the summer. Like really, really ready. I think I just saw my life flash before my eyes on that run. That's how hot it was today outside, and boy, I don't know how I used to do this when I was back in Dubai, but I am wiped out with just 32 degrees Celsius. Now that I'm done with the salad, we might just have ice cream to celebrate the rain. Actually is pretty good. So we just dropped off our laundry. Our laundromat is kind of really cool. It's first off run by 2 black women, amazing. And secondly, they also have like a wash dry bag / fold system where they do your laundry for you, and during COVID they've basically offered up that service for a much more reduced price to people who would otherwise be using their laundromat service. So we just get to go drop off our laundry and they give it to us in like 3 or 4 hours, all fresh and clean, which is amazing. And that's what we did. As you saw, we also couldn't help ourselves on the way back and got some kind of overpriced brunch. But now that I'm back home, let's forget about the guilt of brunch expeditions and focus on bullet journaling. I am going to make my spread for the week. This was what my last week's spread looked like, as you might have seen if you watched my bullet journal video for June. But it's time to upgrade the design for this week. Last week the theme was bags. This week I'm thinking maybe some summery drinks. How about that?
very nice. Companions.
I am finally cleaning my makeup brushes. When I tell you these things are disgusting, let me give you context. I last cleaned these in my previous apartment, which was almost 2 years ago. Exactly 2 years ago, actually. So, these babies have not been cleaned. Well, to be fair, I have not used them since either. I've just been using my fingers, but they need to be cleaned, like now. Oh yeah, look at that. I just got my eyebrows done. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I feel like a new woman. The bliss. Working out makes me yawn a lot sometimes. Any of y'all feel this? Anyway, just got done working out, and now I'm gonna go see Adina for lunch. She's a friend from NYU, and I'm really excited to see her. It's just an exciting time in general, you know, because things are opening back up in the city, and I'm going out to lunch after so long with someone that isn't Emmett. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love you, Emmett, but sometimes I get real tired of you. So, I'm gonna get dressed up a little bit, which is always exciting, and I'll take you along. Let's see how the rest of the day goes. Wearing these jeans everywhere because they have literally become my favorite thing of the past couple weeks.
First, foodies first. Hi. Do we say anything or what?
No, hi is good. We are finally home. Guess what? We stopped by the TJ Maxx because I did not know there was a TJ Maxx on Broadway in Manhattan, and that discovery just made me want to go in because I've never been to a TJ Maxx not being from America. So we went in, and it was probably one of the funniest and most glorious experience. I got a couple things just cuz. Got this cute sports bra. I know palm print, leaf print, whatever is a very hit or miss thing now because it used to be so popular like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. But look how cute. Got so excited about the bra, I almost choked up. But it's so cute and it goes really well with my workout leggings, so I got it. I love it. I'm just absolutely in love. These two paired shorts, it was like 2 for $15. I've been really into printed stuff this summer, I've realized, which is great because prints are awesome. You don't have to do anything to them. Throw them on and they're good to go. They look great always. And the last thing I got, which was a total whim purchase, is this like sheer overcoat hang cardigan something. It's really cute. It's nice for the days when I just want to wear a bralette and some jeans or shorts and throw this on. I used to have one of these like 4 years ago, and then it started getting frayed, so this is my replacement, I guess. But let me tell you the real win. The real win was me walking around in these heels for 4.5 hours today. I cannot believe I have done this. It is a feat of my legs and ankles, honestly, but I looked cute as all hell walking around the city in my cute little shoes and my cute little puffy sleeve top and my straight leg jeans. I felt so classic chic but also on trend, and it's rare to have that feeling, so very happy with today. Plus it was a bonus to hang out with my friend, of course.
Not like that was the main focus of today or anything, but here's me just rambling about everything else. Gotta celebrate the small wins, so.